And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Happy Thursday morning, December 1st. Certainly feeling like December here, the season here. Temperature looking at 18 degrees in Flora, 18 Delphi, 18 Lafayette, 16 up in Rensselaer, down to 17 Kokomo. Factor in about a 5 to 10 miles per hour wind. It certainly feels biting cold out there. Single digits for Frankfort, Lafayette up toward Remington. Good morning to you. Bundle up 7 degrees. Feels like 6 degrees Rensselaer, Morocco, Kentland. So area rides seeing a single digits to the lower teens across the viewing area. Very cold out there to start off your Thursday. Looking at Storm Team 18 radar and satellite, we are all clear, which is allowing those cool temperatures to settle in. The wind is starting to die down a little bit thanks to high pressure starting to move eastward into our viewing area. You can see kind of the clockwise movement off behind it though. Very strong winds up in Kansas, up in Nebraska. All of that is shifting off to the east, and as that happens, we will start to see the effects of that next system coming in. Hey, today's national holiday. It's Christmas Lights Day, appropriately on December 1st. If you do have some time, if you can at least stay in the very cold conditions today, it'll be a pretty decent day to get those lights up. If you want to, obviously be careful out there. 36 degrees by 3 o'clock, and then we'll work back down. We'll see a few high-level clouds, but notice the wind change to that southwesterly to a more southerly direction by this evening, and big changes for tomorrow. That south wind really howling, especially in the afternoon, up to 40 miles per hour wind gusts. We'll have increased cloud cover, and actually low temperatures will occur before 7 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll see rising temperatures all day, steady through the evening hours. The cold front comes in Saturday morning. So let's take this hour by hour the next few days. Today, not a bad day. We'll have some high mid-level clouds for this afternoon. This is 1:30 just after lunchtime. We'll clear out tonight, but watch how the white lines kind of start to move a little bit faster as we get toward Friday morning. This is 8 o'clock, starting off a little bit of mix of clouds and sun. That'll be the case throughout the rest of the day with increasing clouds by 6:30. Scattered rain showers here by 10:30. And then here comes a cold front into Illinois by 2 o'clock in the morning Saturday. Scattered rain showers for us and no thunderstorms expected. Very light hitting system when it comes to moisture. But after that cold front passes, we'll change that that wind direction out of the northwest. That's going to bring in very cool layer the rest of the day on Saturday. So we'll have falling temperatures. That 45 high temperature will occur very early in the morning. 30s by the afternoon, and we'll get down to about 20 degrees Saturday night into Sunday, so it will stay breezy and cooler for Sunday, but most of the day on Saturday will be dry and we'll get the sun out, but it's still going to be feeling pretty cold because of that wind that will be sticking around with us for Saturday. Now Monday will stay cloudy, we'll warm back up to near normal, then our next system comes in Tuesday. Looks like it'll start off as rain and then change over to maybe rain snow mix to snow late Tuesday, early Wednesday. And then your 10-day forecast here for us. We'll be watching for our next system coming in possibly by next Friday into Saturday. Could see a little bit more wintry precip with that, but still far too out to go more into detail. But that is certainly when we could be seeing our next major hitting system here working in by late next week.
So it is a little windy out, but luckily not as bad as what it was yesterday morning.
Yes, still 5 to 10 miles per hour with temperatures we're seeing still going to be biting cold. So. Yeah. Many layers this morning will be needed.
Looks like this weekend too, there's a lot of events happening, whether it be in Indianapolis for the big football game or also here locally for the Christmas parade. A lot of stuff is going on.
Yeah, and a lot of people are going to be out and about probably Saturday afternoon, evening. It looks sunny for now, and it's still going to be very windy. Falling temperatures all day, so you'll want to bundle up if you're heading out Saturday night. So be aware of that. But hey, the national holiday, did you get that?
The Christmas Lights Day. Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up.
Yeah. So did you get all your lights up?
Well, not quite.
You have your tree up though, right?
I have my tree up, yeah.
So
it was a very quick process because it's not a very big tree, but it's up, so that's what matters, right?
The perks of being a meteorologist, I get to pick. Okay, well, the day is going to be pretty warm, so last week I picked the warmest day of the week, and it was actually pretty nice out. Got everything up. Everything's good to go at the Seipel household. So.